My name is Bray Burbage. I'm the owner of Storm Lacrosse.
Hi, my name's Chad Jardine, and I'm the CEO of a company called Perfect Skin RX.
I'm Jason.
I'm Brigitte.
And we're the owners of Sexy Modest Boutique.
Local traffic is everything to our business. For us to acquire a customer, sometimes will cost us as little as $25, but it could cost us, around $100 just to acquire a customer, just to come in.
So their loyalty is the key to how our business becomes profitable.
We have the opportunity to win their service through superior quality, which will allow us to make a relationship that can be lasting, so we can really win their patronage. We've tried a number of advertising avenues, and not with too much success.
We've tried direct mail, we've done like penny saver type.
We do a lot of pay-per-click advertising, a lot of search engine optimization.
We've seen so many coupon/Groupon city deals type of companies, and we had no control of how many were going to be sold. We had no idea what was going to be coming through the door.
Wake Up Now is truly a unique proposition. We bring loyal customers to the table as well as an advanced technology to help them manage their business and their daily deals. We did this to create value in our customer base. And the way we create value is by giving the merchant an affordable, quality product in order for them to then in turn pass back that savings through to our consumer. And as long as that merchant provides value, that customer will be loyal to them. And we've truly created a win-win situation for both.
One of the things that we truly love about the Wake Up Now merchant program is that it allows us to tailor our offerings.
We now have control over the offers we send out to our clientele.
I no longer have to worry about how am I going to hang that banner in the stadium.
Sometime between this year and 2014, we'll see mobile internet use surpass internet use from all other types of devices.
For us to have a mobile presence is phenomenal. I mean, that's great because now we're at the fingertip of all of our clients.
That people can access the Wake Up Now merchant program from their mobile devices, see our ads, they can get our products and our offer.
And I think it allows the customer to come in and fall in love with us and our store and our products rather than coming in because they get 50% off an item. They're coming in because they genuinely love to shop here and they love what we're selling.